Hi friends, welcome to Talingen, and this is the cloud computing sessions. If you not subscribe our channel, please do subscribe and like our channel. Now इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे Amazon S3 का वर्जनिंग फीचर्स and what is versioning and why we use versioning features. What is S3 versioning? The versioning means keep your multiple versions of data or object in a same bucket, and you can use versioning to retrieve and restore every versions of every object that store in your Amazon S3 bucket. It means if you store multiple versions of object in a one bucket, that is the versioning features. Now what are the benefit? Means if you write some your file and upload in the bucket, it's called the new versions of object. Number 2, if you delete an object, if suppose you have decided to delete some file or object, removing it permanently, the Amazon S3 is insert a delete marker on that particular file, which become the current object versions. You can always restore the previous versions. Now let's start the practical sessions how to work Amazon's S3 versioning features. The Amazon's S3 dashboard, and the Amazon S3 released a new dashboard features for S3. This is the previous versions of S3 dashboard. Now we want to create one bucket. Create bucket and type the bucket name new info bucket, and this is my region name, and create. This bucket is already exist. Okay, type buckets 1. Okay, bucket is created. Now we want to change the bucket access policy. Edit and just uncheck it, save it. This is the by default features for S3 service. Here it's not enable the versioning options. Now we want to upload some object. Okay, now it's S3 bucket and type some to Talingen and save the file and upload it. Upload, add file, desktop, and file name S3 bucket. Open and upload it. This file is upload. Now open this file. Okay, and now this is the current version of file. Now we want to override this file and type Kolkata. Save it. Upload the same file S3 bucket and upload it. Now the current version is change, and upload the file and refresh the file name. Now show the current file. That previous file is overwrite, and if you not enable the versioning options, you cannot restore the previous versions. Now again we want to enable the versioning features. Going to properties sections and enabling the versioning feature. Enable, just save it. Back to overview options. Now again upload this file and write some word, the online training session. Okay, and save it. Upload the same file. Desktop, S3 bucket, upload it and refresh. Now refresh it. Now file will be overwrite. Now back to click on the file, and this is the latest versions. Click on the latest versions arrow sign, and here is the available all the version. Click on the previous versions and open the file. Now this is my previous version. Because we enable the versioning features, that's why this bucket is store the multiple versions of object. This is the feature of versioning. Now again one features is available is the delete marker. Now select the file, object file, and actions, go to delete the file and delete. This file is deleted. Now this file is deleted permanently, but we want to restore this file from this bucket, because we already learned if you enable the versioning features, you can restore or retrieve your data. Back to show options. Here is this is my delete file, and add the delete marker is a tag for that particular file will be deleted. Click on this file and actions and delete this file, and hide options. Back to my dashboard, and again this file will be show here. This is the retrieving process for delete file from your S3. Thank you watching this video.